Hello friend, today in this video we will learn how to install Docker on Windows 11. So you have to just open any browser. For example, I am using Chrome browser. So you have to type your Docker and press enter button. Then here you can see official website of Docker. So you have to click on this website. Now you can see here download Docker desktop. So you have to just click on this, and here you can see various operating system. So for example, I am downloading it for Windows, so I will select from these two options. Many people get confused in these two options for Windows, so you have to just refer this. You have to choose AMD 64. If you have Intel or AMD processor, you have to choose ARM 64. If you have a special ARM based window like Microsoft Surf Pro or Windows ARM. Okay, so here is process. You can also check in about section. So here I will show you how to search. So type your setting, okay, and click on the system, and after that you have to scroll down, and here you will get about option. Click on this, and here you can see the system type. Okay, for example, my system is 64-bit and x64, so I have to choose AMD 64. Okay, so just click on this. After downloading, you have to open this exe file. Double click on this, click on S button. Now here add shortcut to desktop. Yes, then click on OK button, and now you have to wait. Now you have to click on close and log out button. Now here you have to type cmd and press enter button. Then type docker -- version. So here you can see Docker version is successfully downloaded. Now to open Docker, you have to just type your Docker and press enter button. Click on accept button. Here you can create your account, otherwise you can skip it. Now you can use Docker. So friend, if you found this video helpful, please share with your friend, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.